নোয়াখালী টিভি, বৃহত্তর নোয়াখালীর প্রতিচ্ছবি।
Dear students, I am A&M Iqbal Hossain Chowdhury, head teacher, Kadir Hanif Government Primary School. You know one thing, that COVID-19 is going on, and that's why I want to give you an advice. Stay at home and stay safe. Here we are going to taking a online class due to COVID-19. I request everyone to observe the class very sincerely and to continue your study. Before starting the class, I am going to provide a song for you all. Please, everybody, be attentive to the class. Good morning, how are you today? I am fine, I wish you a good day. Good morning, how are you today? I am fine, I wish you a good day. Okay, now we are going to enter our class. I request everyone to be attentive to the class. Last night I have drawn a very nice picture for you all. So I request everyone to observe the picture. Everybody look at the board. It's a picture of, who can say, it's a picture of map. And it's the picture of map of Bangladesh. Map of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has 64 districts. And 3 have given here Kishorganj, Dhaka, Noakhali. All including, there are 64 districts in Bangladesh. I live in Noakhali, and that is why my home district is Noakhali. The person who lives in Dhaka, his home district is Dhaka. The person who lives in Kishorganj, his home district is Kishorganj. So our today's lesson is my home district. Our today's lesson is my home district. Okay? Our today's title is my home district. Everybody take your book. I am reading the book. Move your finger through the lines. I am reading. My home district. Read about Mamun's home district. My home district is Kishorganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 8 unions and 1,745 villages. The name Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brajokishor Pramanik or Nando Kishore Pramanik. The area of Kishorganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narsunda flows through the town. Everybody, I am reading again. So be careful. While I read, you move your finger through the lines, please. My home district. Read about Mamun's home district. My home district is Kishorganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 1,745 villages. The name Kishorganj comes from the name of an landlord known as Brajo Kishore Pramanik or Nando Kishore Pramanik. The area of Kishorganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narsunda flows through the town. Dear students, we have got some new words from our lesson. I am going and we are going to explain those new words so that you can understand the topics very easily. The first word is center. The first word is center. Who can say what is the meaning of center? At first we are going to provide the new words. Then city. Next dwelling house. And the last one is landlord. Now, who can say what is the meaning of the word center? We are going to explain the next word, city. What is the meaning of city? The meaning of city is town. Just like our Majdi town. It is also a city. The next one is landowner. Landowner. Landowner means landlord. Landowner means landlord. Center, headquarters. Center, headquarters. Next, dwelling house, home. Dwelling house, home. Again, I am going to explain again. Headquarters, center, town, city, home, dwelling house, landlord, landowner. Majdi town is our center. Majdi town is the center of the whole district. Majdi town is the center of the whole district, and that is why headquarters means center, town, city, then home, dwelling house, the house where we dwell or where we live, landlord, landowner, owner of the land, landlord. Now come to do another activity which we have to face in the examination. First one have done matching the words. Now we are going to explain the second activity. It's true, false. It's true, false. True, false. Just now I have read out the lesson and from the lesson you have to identify whether this sentence is true or false. If it is not relevant or exactly relevant to the lesson, it would be false. If it is 100% relevant to the lesson, it would be true. The first one is Mamun's home district is Dhaka. Who can say Mamun's home district is Dhaka? Actually, Mamun's home district is Kishorganj, and that is why it is not true. It is false. It is false. Mamun's home district is Dhaka. It is false. The second one is it is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It 100% resembles to our lesson, and that is why it is true. It is true because you have taken it from the lesson directly, and that is why it is true. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is true. It is district headquarters. It is district headquarters. Who can say whether it is true or false? Yes, it is true because it 100% resembles to our lesson, and that is why it is true. It is district headquarters. It is true. The last one is the river Buriganga flows through the town. In the lesson you have read, or I read, that the river Buriganga flows through the town. It is true or false? Is the river Buriganga? No, the river is Phuleshwari, and that is why it is not true. So it is false. Finally, the river Buriganga flows through the town. It is false. So we have overcome this activity. I request everyone to take it very seriously because you have to face it in the examination, and that is why it is very important for you all. So be aware about this activity. Now come to another activity. Here are some questions which have taken from our lesson, today's lesson. You have to answer these questions. I am reading it and you think yourself to answer these questions. The name of this activity is question and answer. The first one is, what's the name of Mamun's home district? In my lesson, or in our lesson, we have read it about the home district of Mamun. Who can say what is the home district, or which is the home district of Mamun? Yes, the name of Mamun's home district is Kishorganj. The name of Mamun's home district is Kishorganj. We can answer it in another way. Mamun's home district is Kishorganj. Only Mamun's home district is Kishorganj. It is in short. It is also okay. Then come to the next. How far is it from Dhaka? ঢাকা থেকে এর দূরত্ব কতটুকু? How far is it from Dhaka? Who can say? Yes, it is 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is 145 kilometers from Dhaka. ঢাকা থেকে এর দূরত্ব 145 কিলোমিটার. We have taken it from the lesson. Now come. How did it get its name? How did it get its name? You can take help from your lesson to find out the answer of this question. You are asked, or I request you to take help from the lesson. Okay? The name Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord Brajokishor Pramanik or Nandakishor Pramanik. Brajokishor Pramanik or Nandakishor Pramanik. Again, though it is hard, we have to make it easy by reading or by telling it again and again. The name Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord Brajokishor Pramanik or Nandakishor Pramanik. Now come to the last question. What is the name of the river which has flown through the town? শহরের ভিতর দিয়ে যে নদীটা প্রবাহিত হয়েছে তার নাম কি? Who can say? Yes, the name of the river which flows through the town is Phuleshwari, or Phuleshwari is the name of the river which flows through the town. We can answer it in various ways if we know, if we think, and if we try. It may be answered in various ways. So we have discussed the answer of these 4 questions. Now come to play a game. We have read a lot of time. Now I request everyone to play a game, and it is very interesting game. I have some cards in my hand. You observe it. There are 2 types of cards. Some cards are written in black ink, and some are red. You have to match the word column A with column B. Everybody follow. The name of the game is